So this recorder came in with its glass completely broken out, so we're going to replace the glass for them. It's completely off of this. It was all inside the case, but we can fix that. So we'll start by taking off the clips. You'll just unscrew your clips. Now that that's off, your adhesive is stuck on good. It's going to be really hard to get off there. I put a little alcohol to try to separate the adhesive from the case. But as you see, it's just going to come off in little pieces. So we're going to have to work at this for a few minutes. A putty knife might work good. Something you can wedge underneath it to try to peel off. But more than likely, if it came completely off, it's going to take a minute to get it off of it completely because it's going to come out in pieces. So just pour a little alcohol and try to get it around. Let that sit for a minute. You can get the sticky underneath. Then you might get lucky to pull. More than just a piece at a time. So if you can get underneath it, it'll come off a little bit easier. Alright. Then we'll just get some paper towel with alcohol, and we're just going to wipe around. And then once we get her cleaned all up, we'll replace the glass. Bit of a magic eraser there. It's got a little bit of sticky on there. And as you see, the sticky residue that's left behind. And sometimes the little part right there is where the sticky, where they pushed it out, pulled the paint off. Now that you're smooth and got your sticky residue off, you're going to grab your new adhesive, which looks like this. Peel one side off, then you're going to stick it in between where the other one was. Get it as even as you can. Around there. If you have any issues with the top adhesive, you can use a little bit of alcohol. It'll come right up. Then you'll want to get your glass, and you're going to lay it right in the middle. Then we're going to get some window clips because those were bent. Don't over tighten because you chance shattering your glass again. You just want to make sure your window clips don't move. Said. All right, now your new glass is in.